So the different systems of units that are around the world are called these. Very important. I strongly suggest that you write this down. They're basically the MKS system, the CGS system, or the US engineering system. So the three important units that we need to know of: length, mass, time. Length is L, mass is M, time is small t, and temperature is big T. Now, what do these mean in the different units? So in the MKS unit, and the CGS unit, and the US engineering units, what are they precisely? In the MKS system, M stands for meters, K stands for kilograms, and S stands for seconds. In general, length is the first one we write, mass is the second one, and time is the third one. In the CGS system, C stands for centimeters. Centi means what? What is a century? Cent means 100. So centi means 100, whatever you attach with it. So a century is 100 years. G is grams. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Kilo means 1,000. Okay? So there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. And S is still seconds. So MKS, CGS. Meters, kilograms, seconds. Centimeters, grams, seconds. Seconds doesn't change. Okay? So in US system, length is measured in feet. Mass is measured in what is called pound mass. Time is measured in seconds, and temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. Everybody wrote that down? Yes?
What is the same next to LB?
Wait, where? Oh, here, pound mass? It's LB. So when you go to the store, do you see LBS written? That's the abbreviation of pound mass.
It's next to LB.
Oh, sorry. Yes, it's let me see if I can write it. It's LB mass. Okay. The next important thing, I know this is a very busy slide and there's not much I can do about it, and I will make this available. But I want you to write these basic conversions for me. Actually, I'll just write it here. So the important one is 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, and 1 foot is 12 inches. Everybody knows this is inches, right? The two dots. And if I want to write 1 foot, it's this. So if somebody's 6 foot 2 inches tall, this is how you would write that. Everybody knows that, right? So how do you convert 1 mile, which is 1.609 kilometers, or that is also equals to 0.304, I believe, meters. And also, you should know how many days in a year, how many hours in a day, how many minutes in an hour, and how many seconds in a minute. Now that we have done that, let's do this example. Somebody read this. Okay, go ahead.
Has a mass of 5 kilograms and 25 meters long. Find its mass in grams and meters.
Okay, very good. So here's the trick to doing these questions. First of all, The easiest one will be, may I write this down as I am given a mass of 5 kilograms and I have to convert it to grams. That means somehow I have to get rid of the kilograms there, right? What do I know? How many grams in a kilogram? Excellent. So I know that in 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. That's what I know. So how do I do this? Okay. I will write 5 kilograms here, and I have to get rid of it. So just watch for a second. Don't write anything down. Just watch. It's magic. I have to get rid of this kilogram. Remember when we were doing fractions yesterday, I said if there was a numerator and a denominator and they were being multiplied, I could cancel them. I'm going to follow the same thing. One is in the numerator, one is in the denominator. I'm just going to cancel it. Good? Okay, so how do I cancel it? I have to put kilograms here in order for things to cancel, right? And then I know, what do I want to end up with? Grams, correct? So then I need to do grams at the top so it doesn't go away. Now, 1 kilogram is how many grams? 1,000. Don't write anything. Just watch. This goes away, but grams have nothing I can cancel them with. So what am I left with? 5 times 1,000 grams over 1. Yeah? So what is 5 times 1,000? 5,000 grams. And that's how you do this magic. Okay, the next one says its length is 0.5 meters. Okay? So I have to convert it into centimeters. I know 1 meter has how many centimeters? 100, right? So I have to convert 0.5 meters into centimeters. So how do I do that? What should go on my denominator? Meters, right? Yeah? 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 100. So that means I can cancel this meters with meters, and I am left with 0.5 times 100 centimeters divided by 1, or 5? 50. Good? Okay, what if I switch this question around? And instead of asking you if it's 0.5 meters long, what if I asked you this was 0.7 centimeters long? How would you do that? So I've just flipped this question. So instead of asking you, so now I want you to convert 0.7 centimeters into meters. Do you guys want to try that on your own? See if we can do that. I promise I won't come look around, and we will do it together. I just want you to try. So we still know what's the conversion? 1 meter equals centimeters. Now I have to convert 0.7 centimeters, and I want to end up with meters at the top, correct? So the only way for this to happen is if I put centimeters at the bottom. And I know there is 1 meter. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. It's sort of flipped on its head. But everything else remains the same. So centimeters will go away. And I will get 0.7 times 1 over 100 meters.